Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday, May 12th. I hope you guys are well and enjoying the fact that it's not snowing this morning. So that's a good thing, right? Hey, guess what we haven't talked about at all? The AP exam, which is tomorrow for AP Lit. When I asked a while back if you guys were planning on taking the exam, a number of you did not respond. So, hey, I really don't know if you guys are planning on taking the exam tomorrow or not. But I've attached a couple of documents today in these instructions. Their exam, or it's the 2018 exam, and we are doing question 2, indeed, if you're taking this piece tomorrow. And that is prose, which is fiction, right? But not poetry. And it's actually a piece by Hawthorne. So for those of you who just read The Scarlet Letter, I think that's Steph and Bree, then you'll be like, oh, Hawthorne, super duper. So let's remember that all important word of how. How does an author provide insight into a character, into a thematic development, into a conflict? And that how is your awareness of how the author has crafted the piece, how they've organized it, what sort of allusions they've utilized, what sort of dialogue or lack of dialogue, what point of view, first person, third person, present, past, the type of language they've used. So really focus again on all of those details if indeed you're taking the exam tomorrow. Curious to see how these exams go in this modified time, but let's remember to get right to the point, to stay in the text. And I know sometimes I've used in the past the reference that it's like writing a lab report about a piece of literature. You are, in a way, dissecting it, right? You are helping us to understand that you recognize the various ways an author is creating meaning. So good luck if you're taking it. I'll be curious to see who does. Secondly, I'm working my way through the Common Apps. You guys should have written the first draft for last week, and I'm going through those now, and then the second draft will be later this week. Really think as you're writing, if you could write down a couple of words, just words, about what is it that someone reading this piece who does not know me now knows about me. I'm hardworking, I persevere, I have a good sense of humor, family is what's most important to me. Whatever it is that is a feature of you, you should implicitly be demonstrating that through the details that you use. I'm noticing some absolutes, like this is what every student goes through, this is what every kid wants, this is what every parent is doing. So try to avoid those always, without a doubt, every absolute sort of words, because rarely in life are things absolute. So yes, I'll be giving you feedback on those first ones, second ones later this week, and then taking one of them to a final draft, and then we'll have a one-on-one conference on those. So reach out, let me know. I am opening up a Google Classroom invite this morning, Google Meet, though I haven't seen many of you. So I hope you guys are well. Strange times for sure, but take care and let me know what you have for questions if indeed you do have any.